Good afternoon, Bat World. Justin here with our 1966 Dodge Coronet 500. Guys, this is a 383 4-barrel carb, 4-speed car. This green color, I don't know if you can see, I do have some shade, but it's gorgeous. Guys, this car is completely original. The paint is original. There are some flaws which we will focus on direct pictures so you can see where they are, but we did not want to do any paint or body work to this car. It is our belief that these miles are actual. So many things about this car when we got it were original, even the tires. So we did replace those. These are new, just looked old. We also had to do a small bit of exhaust work on this car. Other than that, it was fantastic. We did the oil change. We did a fluid change in the gearbox as well. 4-speed car. So I'll show you some of the things that are original, like these cool vintage stickers from 1969. So this windshield's been on there at least that long. I've got the windows all down today to show off the hardtop. But look at the carpet. We did not dye the carpet. Underneath these, remember these clear translucent floor mats, but underneath it's just the original carpet. It is faded in spots, but the black has faded almost to a little goldy green. I think the patina is fantastic. Something we could have dyed, but we determined that we wanted to leave it. I love it. I think it's so cool. Center console, dashboard. Look at that glorious 4-speed. This is a muscle car at the very beginning of muscle cars. Just when they were trying to figure it out. I wanted to focus on the grille too. This grill, guys, see how it's painted? That's all original paint. So not many problems, not many rocks have hit that over the years. All the chrome on this car is just perfect. I can't imagine how long this car survived to be this cool and to be with us today. I can't believe a Camaro would have ever made it this long, or a Mustang. It would have been by the wayside by now, or restored 7 different times throughout the decades. Anyway, we love it. I will continue to upload videos and pictures. I will continue to add information as the week progresses. Please ask questions if you have them in the comment section, and I will get to them. And we're really excited for this car to find a new owner. I've been driving it, and it's an absolute pleasure to drive. One of the funnest cars I've driven in a while. Americana at its mid-century finest, guys. Look at that. All right, good luck all. Happy bidding.